Let's learn how you can check if your iPhone is a real or fake device. So you can just open your Safari browser and type in iPhone model number check. So here we have the explanation for the letters and numbers and what they stand for. So here we can have F, it's refurbished, M or N, it's like new device, replace device, and to check that you need to open settings. And as you can see here, we have our model number right here. To find it, you just need to click on general and click on about. And here you can find your model and serial number. And here you can just screenshot or search for yourself about what a letter stands for. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.